We're gonna do something a little different today. We're heading down to my friend Julie's house, and we're gonna get some fucking sick drone shots, racing drone. We're doing some wheelies hopefully, so hopefully that's pretty cool. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna hop on the freeway, play some music, and I'll see y'all there. Alila. Look at this guy's fucking van. It's fucking sweet, dude.
Look at this fucking guy's fucking van.
Look at this guy's fucking van, dude. Got a little fridge, sink,
Little fridge.
Little toilet over there,
Little
bed.
fridge. We'll burn this pack.
Some avocados.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude. Bananas.
This is literally the worst state that the van's been in a week. It's not done. Don't tell my mom. Like, comment, follow, subscribe.
Yeah. What's your YouTube?
Julian Valentine.
Link in description.
Link in description. Alright, you good?
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, so you can put your head on my shoulder.
I got it.
So just get level. That's how the motor feels. It's a little easier to ride with a little bit of speed. Keep your knees bent. That's the only suspension the board has.
Right.
If you need to bail, both feet off at the same time. Don't leave your front foot on, whatever you do. I also don't have a stock wheel on there, so it's a lot of ankle control on my board. Both feet. See how I wanted to.
Yeah.
Because like you can, like the board thinks I'm on it.
Right.
And if it's on, it'll just, until it thinks that there's no foot on the foot pad. One wheels are cool, man. Wow.
puppy.
Subscribe to my channel at SlumMoto.
It's too loud! Input received. Adjusting altitude. Locked on target. We are go.
Big Harley guy right there. Big Harley guy. Big Harley guy right there for sure. Even got the chick with the eagle on the bed. Huh?
Is that Rob Zombie?